Hi everyone, it's Shane Smyth, Bundoran Tourism Officer. It is Friday the 21st of September. We're here with a look at what is going on for the weekend in Bundoran. Lots happening musically wise. In the Allingham it's Jim Devine and the Indians. Phoenix Tavern you got Spree Trad tomorrow night. The usual acoustic session tonight in Madden's Bridge Bar and the usual trad session there tomorrow night. We've got the Celtic Supporters Festival in town for this weekend as well. And the Wolves of Youth have their final ever gig tomorrow night in the Chasin Bull, and we wish the lads all the very best of luck for the future. The premiere of the Red Bull surf movie Made in Ireland also happens in the Chasin Bull tomorrow night. It stars our local surfer Conor Maguire, and that's a big movie for him, and that is happening at 6 o'clock in the Chasin Bull tomorrow Saturday evening, and all are welcome to attend that. Lots of music, as I mentioned, happening all across town. More details on our website discoverbundoran.com/events, or indeed you can drop into the tourist office and pick up your printed copy, where we will happily give one to you. Tonight is also Culture Night at Bundoran Community Centre, and indeed across the nation. Our Culture Night celebrations happening at the community centre, and that is happening tonight from 7 o'clock. And just up the road in Grange and Sligo for the weekend is the Spanish Armada Festival, and you'll find more details about that on SpanishArmadaIreland.com. We have our special guest on the podcast this week, the Bundoran Weekly, and that is Paul Fallon. He is the Wastewater Infrastructure Programme Manager at Irish Water, and he'll be talking to us about the opening of the wastewater treatment plant here in Bundoran last weekend. A good news story for the town, and lots of good positive outcomes as a result of the opening, and Paul will be telling us why that is in our podcast, which you can find on bundoranweekly.com. You can also find it on iTunes and Spotify and TuneIn and lots of other different platforms as well, which you can see listed here. We also want to let you know that if you're a darts fan, then the Great Northern Hotel in Bundoran is the place to be this coming Tuesday night. It's a night of the darts, lots of great darts players happening up there, and it's going to be a big night if you're a fan of darts, and that is this Tuesday night at the Great Northern Hotel. That is it for this week. I hope you have a great week in Bundoran. Don't forget to contact us on social media if you want to know anything, and we look forward to talking to you next Friday.